Finally, Samsung will do something big in the Galaxy S25 Ultra that other smartphones brands will not able to do. Samsung tried to make the S25 Ultra the most thinnest and the lightest Ultra flagship phone on the market that has a built-in S Pen. So just recently, the vice president of Samsung's mobile experience team, Mr. Daniel Arujo, while speaking about the 2025 flagships. According to him, Galaxy S25 Ultra come with a top-of-the-line display. Galaxy S25 series come with OLED display with AI. Basically, AI can reduce the power consumption of an OLED display by a whopping 50%, and it gives you massive battery backup. You don't need to charge your phone in a 24-hour period. So Samsung decided to use the same battery in the S25 series, which he used in the S24 series. Now let's talk about the chipset. According to the South Korea media, Samsung Galaxy S25 series come with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 come in all S25 series models. So no Exynos 2500 in the S25 series. Now let's talk about the One US 7.0. First beta is expected to launch this month, and One US 7.0 give a massive performance to the S24 series that we have never seen on any smartphone before. Now we have one more news related to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. According to the news, Samsung is looking to bring a special edition version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 with some updates. According to the Ice Universe, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition come with a wider outer screen as well as a bigger 8-inch inner screen, but also it is thinner in both unfolded and folded form compared to the standard Fold 6 Plus. And according to the sources Samsung use, same 200 megapixel sensor in the Fold 6 Special Edition which he used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.